Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 VW Tiguan match. This is the 4Motion Allspace and comes with the 2-litre diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 41 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 19 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 33,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic deep black and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you'll see you've got the nice clean interior. The fabric on the seats there is in great condition, with an armrest and 2 cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. You have active cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And on the driver's door card there, you have your electric folding mirror switch and your full window controls. And further down, your electric tailgate control. The Allspace is the larger version of the Tiguan, so you have a limousine-like legroom and headroom there in the back, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers can control the temperature of the air vents in the centre there, and you've also got the smart picnic tables as well. As you open the tailgate, like I mentioned, which is automatic, the car reveals a good sized boot there with the 3rd row seats, and with the seats down you've got a really good sized boot, and below the boot floor you've also got a spare wheel just there in the middle, and then also some storage there for your parcel shelf when it's not in use. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the side steps there, as well as front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch gunmetal alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.